In this video, we are going to look at a program provided by SAP, which is removing the roles from SAP and remove expire roles. So we execute PR, GN, compress times. So this will not work in CUA because CUA the tables are different. But if you have a system where you have not connected to CUA, this is a good program to run to clean up the users all for about which has all the expired roles. Okay, so this way when you are ready to run a segregation of duty reports, this will be a good thing to do because it will clean up the users. So here you can say delete expired roles, and then let's say you want to delete all the Z roles. Okay, so execute that. So we are in a simulation mode, so it's not going to remove, it's just going to show you. Execute that. So just say star. Okay, so it's going to show you. Okay. So these are basically duplicate roles, right? So it also basically removes the duplicate roles and puts the one role which is only required, right? So this way, if there are duplicate roles, it basically also takes them out. Okay, so I'm going to go back and run simulation, the regular mode. Okay, so changes made. So this is how you can basically reduce the number of roles within the user or remove the expired roles. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please click on the link below to download the SAP GRC step-by-step guide. Thank you.